to enable roundups in Acorns app for auto-saving. Welcome! In this guide, I'll show you how to enable roundups in the Acorns app. Roundups help you save automatically by investing your spare change from everyday purchases. First, open the Acorns mobile app and log into your account. Make sure you are connected to the internet and using the latest version of the app. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Invest tab. This section lets you manage your investment settings, including roundups. In the Invest section, locate the Roundups option. Tap on it to open the Roundups settings menu. This is where you can manage and enable your automatic savings. If you haven't already, you'll need to link a debit or credit card. This allows Acorn to track your purchases and calculate the roundup amount for each transaction. After your card is linked, simply toggle the switch to enable roundups. Now, every time you make a purchase, Acorns will round up the total and invest the difference. You can also customize your roundups, enable multipliers to boost your savings, or choose to manually approve each roundup before it invests. That's it! Rounds Up is now active. Every purchase you make will help you save and invest passively, turning spare change into long-term growth.